So I got to drill a saddle in the steel pipe, and it's going to be facing down position. So I prefabricated my mechanical tee, and it's always a good practice to have it hanging on the pipe ready to plug the hole as soon as it's finished, because sometimes a lot of water comes out and you could be inundated with a lot of trap water, and just a good practice to have it ready so you can immediately plug the hole. So fortunately I have a pilot clamp. A lot of people don't have these. I was fortunate enough to be given one. So this is going to save me a lot of grief. So I just position it where I need the head to go. And now I drill it. 1 1/4 hole size. Always have your safety glasses on. The mask actually helps cover up all the drips and stuff that hits my face, so it's kind of nice. But so I drilled the pilot hole. I've got my bucket down below to capture all the water. So as soon as it lets up a bit, I'll finish drilling the hole. That way it doesn't spray around and make a mess. Otherwise I'd have to get a garbage bag and do something. Go pretty fast. Helps when the pilot bit doesn't fall off the drill. There we go. That's why we wear black clothes. The water's pretty dirty. So now we got the hole. Checking for any sharp edges. I don't feel any. It looks pretty clean. There's no damage to the surrounding circle, so I shouldn't have a problem. So by having this fabricated, I can stop that leak by just putting it in position. That's why I was saying it's a good practice to have that ready, just in case you need it. Now it's just a matter of tightening up the And there we have it. Saddle drilled.